Mother, hello there. I will not be returning home this evening as my DD doesn't know the meaning of the term DD.
Maybe it has more than one meaning.
Why would I ask you to be my drunk driver?
I don't know, your acronyms suck.
Acronym burn.
Oh, bad name. Acronym bird.
Yes, so I will be staying at Patrick's this evening. Yup.
And now acronym bird with their new seagull. Stop barfing up my guts cause I got too drunk.
Hello?
Ella?
Ray, why are you calling so late? Is everything okay?
Yeah, well, no. I mean, nothing serious. Well, kind of serious. I mean, like, nobody died.
What do you want, Ray?
I wish that you were here. Well, not here exactly. I'm in a dark alleyway, but...
You sound drunk, Ray. I'm going back to sleep.
Wait, I love you.
Hey, so you come here often?
Don't get in the